What's up, everybody? Not gonna talk that much today. I'm gonna introduce you to my two quads. I don't know if they fit, but anyway, so these are my two quads. This is my 5-inch quad, a little battered and bruised, but still working. And this is my 3-inch quad. This is, as you saw from other videos, it's basically a hybrid. It's a Tyro 79 with a different motor guards, different props, and different frame, and different FPV antenna also. I tried to mount action camera on it to see how it goes, because basically what was going on is I used this quad this weekend, but I found out that I didn't have spare propellers, so I wanted to get HD footage. This thing got powerful motors. The best part of the Tyro 79 in my opinion are the motors, so I said let's see if they could handle an action camera, and I did. And I'm gonna show you a mix of 5-inch. I'll mark it down below like here when the 5-inch quad is flying, and then for the second part I'm gonna use the Tyro 79. Let's call it Tyro 79, the 3-inch quad. So thank you very much guys for following and supporting, and keep on subscribing and liking videos, and I love to see when you post comments and you start a discussion. I love it. Thanks a lot guys, and happy flying.